Hi everyone. If a widget in your Jotform isn't working properly, whether it's not loading, displaying errors, or failing to collect data, this guide will walk you through several simple fixes that can help. First, refresh the page and open the form again. Temporary loading issues can sometimes prevent widgets from functioning correctly. Next, try using a different browser. Yeah, some widgets may experience compatibility issues with certain browsers or browser extensions. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can interfere with how widgets load and operate. Another thing you can try is removing the widget and adding it again. Reinstalling the widget often resolves configuration problems. Now review the widget settings carefully. So make sure all required options are configured properly and that nothing important is missing. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with widgets. Yeah, temporarily disabling them may solve the issue. If you're using an outdated browser, check for updates and install the latest version. New updates often include fixes for compatibility issues. If the widget still isn't working, reach out to Jotform support or check their help center. They may have specific solutions for the widget you're using, and that's all there is to it. One of these methods should help fix your Jotform widget issue and get everything running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.